I'm looking for a big ass sandwich. What's up, Kitchen Kin folks? I've been out running errands and going all over the city, and I realized that grocery day ain't till tomorrow. I don't really feel like cooking with what we got in the house. So I decided I need a big ass sandwich. So today I'm trying out Antonini's subs and steaks at last. It's mostly a takeout place. There are a few seats in here, but I'm getting mine to go. Okay, y'all, I just got home with the big ass sandwiches. They are quite big, as you can see. And we're gonna dig in and see what we got. Okay, I got the Italian sandwich with all the fixings, and it's upside down. Let's roll it over.
Where did these sandwiches come from?
It's from Antonini's.
What's an Antonini's?
It's a sandwich shop,
What'd you get?
an Italian. It's got ham, salami, capicola, some gabagool, and
You got the same thing as you?
Mine has peppers. And you can see they put a lot of meat in there. Lettuce, tomato, a bunch of dressing. There's some cheese, I'm not sure. I think that's provolone.
Yep.
And I'm about to dig in. Just couldn't even wait. Look at it. How's your sandwich?
What is it supposed to be like?
I don't know. I was stopped to get a big ass sandwich. It's a big ass sandwich.
Big ass bite.
I got mine with the peppers on it. Nobody else got peppers because I heard they were spicy.
No, like no damn olives.
Right. Sandwich. They have these peppers on it. Supposed to be something Delaware style.
You dripping, dude.
I'm sure there must be some Italian folks in Delaware. I'm not aware of any of them. If y'all know about Delaware style Italian sandwiches, let me know.
Yeah, he's trying to step away from his sandwich because it's dripping all over his shirt.
Right, you gotta get your elbows out.
Whatever, man. Elbow out. You done?
I'm done. I'm going to eat. Okay, Delaware Italians. Seem like you got something going on. These peppers with the red wine vinegar and olive oil got a nice little tang to them. I'm happy with this.
Turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.